Well met, travelers, and good morning. We have returned to SeaWorld Orlando. This gentleman does not have the pipeline credit, so we're going to take care of that real quick. And I'm trying to make this less of a speed run than the last video, but Alice Green closes the park at 5:30 or so we're going to maybe be forced into that kind of mindset, but we're going to do our best to not be. I would like to check out more of the animal exhibits today. With that being said, let's get moving, let's rock and roll. The place is already starting to fill up and it is already hot. I think taking a surf on the waves, as the kids say, tubular, might be the best way to start the day. What do you say? Come along. Christmas is starting to happen here. Just as much fun as it was the first time, but front row is some next level stuff. Not as much airtime in the front, but the views, spicy, tasty, incredible. We'll probably get more rides in on it. Right now I think we're gonna wander around a bit, decide what we're gonna do next. Just a chill day at SeaWorld, much less stress than last time. I think we've decided that the next move is a ride on Mako. Let's get it. They've definitely got the decorations out. Cool. There she is. Into Mako we go. Went ahead and stopped for a little lunch. Show you what we're eating here. Sofrito chicken from the Waterway Grill right next to Infinity Falls. You know, for theme park food, that looks pretty solid. I'll catch up with y'all after lunch. So this restaurant is absolutely delicious. That's one of the best theme park meals I have had. Chicken was crazy tender and flavorful. Anyway, since we're here and recharged, I think Infinity Falls is up next. What do you say?
Up we go. They're going backwards. Let's go. Wow. Oh man. That'll wake you up.
Infinity Falls is my new favorite river raft ride. It's absurdly wet. nobody on there's getting out dry. You can't. It's impossible to stay dry. That thing is great. It's super fun. It almost has like coaster-like elements. It's really cool. And the elevator lift is sick. Big ups. Now, as I'm sure many of you are aware, Penguin Trek is the new 2024 coaster for SeaWorld Orlando. It is a B&M family multi-launch. I'm standing next to the construction site right now. I'm going to try to sneak my spy cam in there and get some footage, but there's also a very easily accessible area right here. So yeah, that's actually a pretty good look at the construction site. The ride is going to be part outdoor coaster and part indoor dark ride. So, pretty cool. Something cool to look forward to, folks. Manta is a beautiful coaster. This whole park's really pretty though. Hi, pink birds. Guys, there's baby dolphins. I can't deal. It's too cute. I think there's one coming around right here. Maybe? Oh no, he's just hanging out. It's not like a pin over there, is it? I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Oh no, hi.
They're hiding from you on purpose.
Hi, cutie. Just hanging out. Being playful, bobbing around. Cute. I love them. Well, we just can't stay away. I think we're going for another round on Pipeline. Back at it again.
Duas aqui, 6 duas aqui, nós aqui, pega com a gente. Ah não, Ian, você vai primeiro. Vai ter dois, não. Deixa os dois passar na frente.
Pipeline just stays good. It's really fun.
Okay.
He's enjoying it.
I loved it. I loved it. I give it an 8.5 out of 10.
Sweet. We got a couple of rides in. I think we're gonna meander across the lagoon here, lake or whatever the heck it is.
We got the Christmas trees out.
And maybe hit Icebreaker. See what else is going on around here. All right. We're actually gonna circle back around to Icebreaker. I need the Sesame Street coaster credit, so I'm gonna knock that out real quick. Utterly exhilarating and thrilling. But, you know, a credit's a credit, and that was my last SeaWorld credit. I've got them all now. Yes. Let's go see some animal show into the wild Arctic. I hope it's cold in here. Oh, yay. It is real ice. That's super cool. I got that directly on my face. It's blueberries. Oh yeah, it's definitely blueberries. Let's see here. What have we got? Another view of our beluga friends. Hello, friends. I don't want to boop your bobble. Playtime. Animal enrichment.
He's got a fishy. You see the fish? He's eating fish.
That's adorable. All right, now it's time for icebreaker. You know, I was pretty critical on icebreaker the last time I was here, and it's still not my favorite thing here, but I will say that the front is a much better experience, and I had a much better time on that ride.
Which is over that way. So if you walk around the area in either direction, it's a big circle, you'll eventually reach the Dolphin underwater viewing area. So that way there's a floor-to-ceiling glass window where you can see them nice and close, so you can get a little bit of a better look. However, we do
Gonna have a little bit of underwater dolphin viewing just to get a little bit of a better look at these guys.
There's one coming. Just use the coming.
What amazing animals those are, right? Always fun to see. Makes your soul feel warm. I mean, not the fact that they're in captivity, but, it's not like they can be released now, so at least they can use them to teach people about them and why it's important to protect them, In a perfect world, would I like all these animals to be out in the ocean? Of course. But it's not a perfect world, so let's just do our best to do what we can with what we've got. Perhaps we should check in on some manatees. Let's see here. Oh, there they are. I see cows. And a very large fish. Oh, that's a very big one, and I thought that was a rock. Oh my gosh. So that's a baby then, and that's a, wow, okay. Big chungus over here, I love it. Oh, look at their baby. How cute, oh my God. That's adorable. It's been more of a chill day here at SeaWorld. Wasn't as pressed for time or schedule. Hung out, rode some coasters, saw some animals, and I think I'm gonna, no offense, spend the rest of my time here on my own, just enjoying myself, not worrying about making content. I want to thank all of you for coming along with me. It's always a pleasure to have you. I love you. Make sure to do all those things that make me cringe to say, and they do. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share with a friend, etc., etc. With all that being said, my friends, until we meet again, Godspeed, travelers.